In this video, I'm going to show you how to bounce tracks in Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you want to select which tracks you want to bounce. So if you want to bounce all of them, it's easy to just go to the file top left and then click on bounce mix, and from here it's going to bounce all of it. You could also go to the top over here where it says track and click on bounce, but make sure everything is selected, okay? So in my case over here, as you can see, none of these are selected, which means both are going to go in there. Now if you want to go and bounce a singular track, so just a specific one, for example this one at the bottom, you could either click on it and select it and make sure you actually solo this track by clicking this S button over here to solo it. And then when you do that and you select it using this tool over here, which is the grabber tool, you can go to track and then bounce, and then here you can select the name, the export type, as well as some audio settings and location, and then click on bounce. And as you can see here, 3 seconds have been exported just like this, and this is actually 3 seconds. Now if you want more, you could go and select, for example, S on this one over here, and then select this tool, which is the selection tool, I think. Yeah, selector. You can click and you can then just go and drag the selection. If you have multiple cuts, that's going to allow you to basically kind of export all of this. So this should now be about 58 seconds, 57. If I go to top left here, click on track and then bounce, and then I can of course set these things, click on bounce. You'll see that there we go, it says 58 seconds, and that's now been exported onto my computer, okay? So that's how to bounce tracks. That's all you have to know. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.